Welcome back to SCQ. This is the best of three quarter-final series. Scores are Jamaica College on 3, Calabar High on 5, as we get into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Calabar High, you won the toss, decided to go first, so we'll begin with your first minute. In the Bible, from which town was Joseph, the man who asked Pontius Pilate for the body of Jesus for burial? Yes. Correct. What is the name for the branch of zoology in which insects are the main subject of study?
Entomology.
That's right. To what means of transportation does the adjective naval, N-A-V-A-L, pertain?
Or ships.
Correct. Who is the United States Secretary of Homeland Security?
Homeland Security. Alejandro Mayorkas.
Correct. A fawn is the newborn of which animal?
Deer.
That's right. Which archipelago is located 230 kilometers northeast of the Tahitian capital?
Tahitian, so French Polynesia.
Bora Bora. Who composed the music for West Side Story?
Leonard Bernstein.
That's right. Describe the color change which takes place when zinc granules are added to copper sulfate solution.
Alright, so blue to colorless. Blue to colorless.
Blue or green to colorless. Correct. What is the next term in this series? -8, -2, 4.
10.
Correct. Who played the role of Noah in the 2004 film The Notebook?
The Notebook.
Ryan Gosling.
That's
Ryan
right.
Gosling, good.
That's right. What was the name of the first European settlement in the West Indies? I'm sorry? What was the answer you gave? Okay, no, it's La Navidad came on the bell, but incorrect. Well done, Calabar, for your first minute. Jamaica College, coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, the Apostle Paul said he sat at the feet of which man?
Gamaliel.
Correct. Give the two-word term used to refer to the study of patterns of individual human behavior in different cultures.
Cultures. All right. 1.
Psycho-entomology.
Social anthropology. To what act does the adjective natal, N-A-T-A-L, pertain? Sorry?
Birth.
That's right. Who is the United States National Security Advisor to President Joe Biden?
Avril Haines.
Jake Sullivan. A cygnet is the newborn of which bird?
Swan.
Correct. Which archipelago is located 2,400 kilometers northeast of Australia?
Indonesia.
Vanuatu. Who composed the music for the ballet The Firebird?
Firebird. Igor Stravinsky.
That's right. In which metallurgic process is metal obtained in a fused state?
Smelting.
That's correct. What is the next number in this series? 9, 2, -5.
So, -12. 4.
-12. Who played the role of Ali in the 2004 film The Notebook?
Rachel McAdams.
That's right. On which island in the West Indies was the first European settlement established? Hispaniola is the answer. I believe you said Trinidad and Tobago, which is unfortunately incorrect. Well done, JC, for your first minute. Calabar, coming over to you now. It's time for your second minute. Which country was the runner-up in the 2006 FIFA World Cup for senior men?
France.
That's right. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1946 for the invention of an apparatus to produce extremely high pressures?
Pass.
Percy Williams Bridgman. What article in Spain is El Tenedor?
The fork.
Good.
That's right. In which of William Shakespeare's play is the character Iago found?
Iago. Othello.
That's right. Which snake found in Jamaica is an endangered species?
The Yellow
Yellow
Boa.
boa.
That's correct. In the Bible's King James Version, which of the Psalms begins like this? Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands.
Unto the Lord, 100.
Correct. The adductor longus is a muscle in which specific part of the body?
Inner thigh.
Correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of reverent.
Irreverent.
That's right. Who is Jamaica's ambassador to China?
China.
Antonia Hugh.
Correct. What is the capital of Oman?
Muscat.
That's right. What is the largest city in Morocco?
Morocco.
Casablanca.
That's right. What is the relative major key of A minor?
A minor.
C major.
Correct. What is another name for hydrocarbons with multiple bonds?
Unsaturated.
Good work.
Unsaturated hydrocarbons is correct. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute. JC, coming over to you now. It's time for your second minute. Which country was the runner-up in the 2002 FIFA World Cup for senior men?
Germany.
That's right. Who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1948 for his development of the Wilson cloud chamber method?
48. So, Patrick Blackett.
Correct. What article in Spain is el cuchillo?
Cuchillo. The knife.
Correct. In which of William Shakespeare's plays the character Ophelia found?
Hamlet. Hamlet.
That's right. Which butterfly found in Jamaica is an endangered
The
species?
swallowtail butterfly.
That's correct. In the Bible's King James Version, which of the Psalms begins like this? Lord, who shall abide in thy tabernacle?
24. 24.
15. What is the more common name for the inguinal region of the body between the abdomen and the thigh on either side of the pubic bone?
That's the upper thigh.
It's the groin. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of disputed.
Undisputed.
That's right. What was the name of the German ambassador to Jamaica who died suddenly in Kingston in December 2021? Dr. Stefan Friedrich Keil. Which country borders Oman to the west?
To the west.
Yemen.
Saudi Arabia, the Chocolate Hills geological formation is located in which Asian country?
Saudi Arabia.
The Philippines. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute. Calabar, coming over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute. What is the difference between 40 and 11.832?
11.83, so it's going to be 28.168.
Good. Which movie has received the most nominations for the 2022 Oscar Awards?
Nomadland.
Power of the Dog. Which political party in the Bahamas was founded by the Bay Street Boys?
Yes.
United Bahamian Party.
Good. Who is the president of FIFA, the world governing body for
Gianni
football?
Infantino.
That's right. What is the derived SI unit of current density?
Ampere per square meter.
That's right. How do you count from 24 to 26 in Spanish?
24, 25, 26.
Correct. Who wrote the novel Agnes Grey?
Anbranti?
That's right. Complete the Jamaican proverb, bad luck was?
Namobia.
That's right. In the Bible, which prophet saw a vision of a crooked wall measured by a plumb line?
Amos.
That's right. What is the generic name for tissue, such as the moist pink covering of the human tongue?
Epithelial tissue.
Mucosa, form a verb from the word pregnant.
Impregnate.
Correct. Who is the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of the Jamaican Parliament? And we won't have time for your answer to that. That is Julian Robinson. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Jamaica College, coming back over to you now for your third and final. What is the relative minor key of F major?
F major.
D sharp.
Flat.
D minor. What is the name for compounds with a CONH2 group?
Amide.
Correct. What is the difference between 35 and 17.173?
You have that. Pass.
17.827. Who has landed her first Oscar nomination for playing Princess Diana in the movie Spencer?
Spencer. All right. Galgado.
Kristen Stewart. Which political party in Montserrat was founded by William Bramble?
Montserrat Labour Party.
That's right. Who is the president of World Athletics?
Sosenko.
Yes, Lord Coe. What is the derived SI unit of luminance?
Candela per square meter.
Correct. How do you say the first 3 months of the year in Spanish?
Enero, February, Marzo.
Correct. Who wrote the novel Silas Marner?
George Eliot.
Correct. Complete this Jamaican proverb. Good friend better than?
Pocket money.
Correct. In the Bible, which prophet saw a vision of a pouring of the Spirit of God on all flesh?
Joel.
That's right. The human tongue is anchored to which bone at the back of the mouth?
The higher bone.
That's right. From which verb is the word perception? Won't have time. My apologies for that. That's perceive. That is the end of the speed challenge. Scores are Jamaica College on 24, Calabar High on 34. But when we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. The best of three quarterfinal series in TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.